Today, I've got 5 super practical AI-powered side hustles that you can launch this weekend. No experience needed, no fancy gear, just the right tools and a little time. Let's get into it, and I'll show you exactly how each one earns money, how to build it, and how to stand out. Let's start with something low effort, repeatable, and surprisingly profitable. AI-powered coloring books for Amazon KDP. If you browse KDP right now, you'll find tons of coloring books selling for $5 to $15 each, and many of them have hundreds of reviews. That means they're moving volume. Even just one book that sells 5 copies a day at $5 brings in over $700 a month. Now imagine doing 5 of those. You're easily looking at a couple grand in passive income. Here's how to build one from scratch. Start with ChatGPT. Type in a prompt like this. It'll give you clean, print-friendly illustrations with no extra cleanup required. Once you've got 20 to 30 images, head over to Canva. Choose custom size and set it to 8.5 x 11 inches. This is the standard size for Amazon paperback books. Then drag and drop each image onto its own page. Keep the layout minimal. Centered image, white background, no text. When the interior is done, you'll need a cover. In Canva, search for coloring book cover or create a new design with the same size, 8.5 x 11, and design a simple front cover. Use bold text for the title, maybe a sample image, and some clean color. Avoid clutter. Once both files are ready, export the interior as PDF print and the cover as PNG or PDF. Then upload both to Amazon KDP. And you're live. Now, here's how to win in a saturated market. Don't just make generic animal books. Niche down hard. Try mindful mandalas for teens or sci-fi space coloring for preschoolers. You can even add value by including mini challenges like use only warm colors or add a background to this scene. That tiny bit of extra creativity helps your book stand out. This one's a hidden gem if you're looking for fast delivery, low effort, and surprisingly high payouts. Right now, AI voiceover sellers on Fiverr are charging anywhere from $15 to $50 for just 60 seconds of narration. If you include extras like script writing, fast delivery, or commercial usage rights, that can jump to $75 or even $100 per order. Even at a modest pace, let's say you land just 2 $25 gigs per day, that's $1,500 a month, and each job takes less than 10 minutes to produce. So how do you do it? Start with ChatGPT if you need to write the script. Just tell it what kind of voiceover you need. For example, write a 30-second YouTube intro script for a fitness channel. Keep it energetic and confident. Next, copy that into 11 Labs. Now pick a voice that fits the tone. Want something bold? Go with a deep male voice. Need something softer or more conversational? Try a warm female tone. You can adjust the speed, stability, similarity, and style sliders to match the vibe. Once it sounds natural, click Generate. And within seconds, you've got a polished, human-sounding voiceover ready to deliver. Want to stand out? Upload sample recordings using different voices and moods to your Fiverr gig so buyers can preview your work. No mic, no audio software, just AI and a clean workflow. And that's how you turn AI narration into fast, repeatable cash flow. Let's talk about one of the most popular and most scalable AI hustles: selling t-shirt designs using print-on-demand platforms. People don't realize this, but some of the best-selling shirts on Etsy, Redbubble, and Amazon merch are just clever slogans in bold fonts. No fancy artwork, no complicated design, just a relatable message that clicks with the right audience. Here's the math. Most shirts sell for $15 to $30, and after platform and production fees, you're left with $5 to $12 in profit per shirt. Sell just 5 a day, and you're already crossing $1,500 a month. And once your designs are live, the income is largely passive. Now let me show you exactly how to do it using AI. Start with ChatGPT to come up with shirt slogans. You don't need to be a writer, just give it the right prompt. Try something like, give me 10 funny or relatable t-shirt slogan ideas for cat lovers. You'll get things like, my cat is my therapist. I work hard so my cat can live better. Socially anxious, but my cat's cool. Take your favorite lines and head over to Canva. Create a new design with a 4500 by 5400 pixel canvas. That's the standard size for print on demand. You can start from scratch or search for t-shirt design templates to get inspired. Use white text on a black background or vice versa. Those are the highest converting combos. Drop in the slogan using large, bold text. Thick fonts like Anton or League Spartan work well. Keep it super readable. Funny or emotional sells, but the message has to be visible from a distance. Want to add a small visual element? Canva has tons of free icons. Type in cat, paw, coffee, moon, whatever fits your phrase. Place it above or beside the text, but don't overdo it. Simplicity wins in t-shirt design. And when you're done, download the design as a PNG with transparent background. Next, upload your design to Printify or Printful. They take care of printing, shipping, and connecting to your Etsy shop. All you do is set the price, write a short description, and hit publish. With AI, you can pump out dozens of slogans in a day. Add clean, consistent design in Canva, and you've got a repeatable system that prints digital assets. Now here's one that's incredibly underrated, but extremely powerful if you play it right. Short AI tool reviews. These are 30 to 60-second vertical videos, like YouTube Shorts or TikToks, where you break down a trending AI tool in a simple, clear, punchy way. No face required. And yes, they monetize, not just with YouTube ads, which are modest for shorts, but with affiliate links in the description or pinned comment. Let's talk numbers first. Some AI tool affiliate programs pay 15% to 30% recurring commissions. So if someone signs up through your link and pays $30 per month, you could earn $5 to $10 per month from just one sign-up, for as long as they stay subscribed. Imagine posting daily and averaging even 2 to 3 conversions per video. That adds up fast. Some creators easily make $500 to $2,000 per month just from affiliate payouts on shorts, even with a small audience. Now, let's build it. Start with ChatGPT and prompt. Write a 60-second video script reviewing the AI tool. Insert tool name. Keep it simple, upbeat, and informative. Include a hook, features, and a call to action. Pick tools that are getting attention, like 11 Labs, Descript, or Opus Clip, and make sure they offer an affiliate program. You don't need to use all the features, just highlight the ones that solve a clear problem. Now for visuals. Record your screen as you use the tool. Show 2 to 3 standout features in action. Keep each clip under 5 seconds. Overlay big bold captions synced to your voiceover. Add upbeat music, quick cuts, and motion text. Shorts need energy. And yes, you can use 11 Labs to generate that narration. At the end of the video, add a line like, "Try it free using the link in the description," and make sure your affiliate link is in the video description and pinned comment. And since you're not selling a product, but showing how one works, viewers don't need to know you. They just need value in under 60 seconds. This one's perfect if you want to earn passively without managing inventory or dealing with customers. You're creating downloadable wall art, minimalist designs, quotes, or illustrations that people print at home. Now let's look at the earning potential. Search printable wall art on Etsy, and you'll find listings with hundreds, even thousands, of sales. Many of them are priced between $5 to $12 for a single digital download. And because there's no printing or shipping, it's all profit. Here's the simple math. If 5 people a day buy your $8 printable, that's $1,200 a month. And you only have to create each design once. Let's walk through how to make one. Start in Leonardo AI. Try a prompt like this. This gives you clean, modern designs that are ready to print. You can also niche down, try abstract shapes, motivational quotes, or themed illustrations like nursery decor or boho animals. Once the art is ready, open Canva. Create a custom size. 8 by 10 inches or A4 are popular formats. Drop in your image and keep it clean. If you're adding text, use stylish fonts and neutral colors. When you're done, export it as a high-res PDF or JPG. Now head over to Etsy or Gumroad to list it. Make sure your listing includes a mock-up. Canva can generate framed previews. In the description, explain that it's a digital download, no physical product, no shipping delays. Set your price. Anywhere between $5 to $12 works well. One strong design can sell hundreds of times over the long run, and once it's up, that's it. No restocking, no customer service, just passive income on repeat. So there you go, 5 AI-powered side hustles you can launch this weekend, even if you're starting from zero. From coloring books to voiceover gigs, print-on-demand merch to affiliate shorts, and wall art printables, you've seen real examples, real monetization, and real steps you can follow. Everything I mentioned, tools, tutorials, and affiliate links, is in the description below. Most of them are free to start, and a few can start earning before Monday if you move fast. If this gave you a clear plan, hit like. And subscribe if you want more AI income builds just like this. This is the AI Hustle, where AI turns into income. Let's build smarter,